everybody, welcome back to Fish Hunt Northwest. We're here in the kitchen with Chef Kelly for the recipe of the week, and we're going Cuban.
Yes, we're going Cuban. Yeah, because I want to try to make a Cuban surf perch.
Wow, that's pretty popular. Well, it should be popular.
Yes, it should be popular. You know, it's razor clam season right now, and guys should be nipping off the top of those necks and then using those surf perch.
Yeah, for bait.
Yes, for bait. Just
see, I learned.
Don't trust the ocean. Always remember to keep an eye on it.
Oh, that's true. Yes.
Okay, so today we're going to be making a Cuban style surf perch, and we're going to fry up some tostones or fried plantains, however you want to say it. Traditionally, they call them tostones, and we'll make a mojo sauce, which is a traditional dipping sauce with the tostones.
Mojo with tostones.
Yes. Cuban style.
Fried plantains.
Right? Speaking about plantains, we're going to have to deal with this plantain here. This is it's not a banana, okay? So you're looking at it, oh, it's a type of banana. It might be, but it's very, very starchy, so don't think of it as a sweet thing. And you have to deal with it on how you have to peel it. So let's start
how do you
that.
pick one?
Well,
how do you know it's ripe?
You want to just try to feel if it's firm,
Okay.
It's kind of iffy on these, major grocery stores.
The turnover isn't that high.
Yeah. So just kind of peel them. Just kind of run your thumb down there like this. Don't cut your thumbs off.
So it doesn't peel off like a banana?
No, it doesn't peel at all like a banana.
Okay.
Unfortunately. It would be nice.
Okay, we'll just go with it's not a banana, Sheri.
It's not a banana. And so if you want to get ahead and prep these ahead of time, you could stick them in some water.
It loosens it up?
No, it just keeps it from browning, because if you do just, it's sort of like a potato. If you cut a whole bunch of potatoes and then just let them out, they're going to turn brown on you.
Right.
Okay, so just, remember that.
You said it's like a starch.
Yeah, it's very starchy. Okay, so the thing you have to do with plantains is that you need to traditionally kind of cut them into like big chunks like this guy. Okay. Like that.
Inch and a half or?
Yeah, something like that, right? And you're gonna fry this in like a low temperature oil for like until they get kind of golden brown at like 300 degrees. Okay, so what we're shooting for is something like this. So this is cooked, but you just want to cook it at a low temperature. So after we get to there, we're just going to take I usually find like a dish like this, kind of good sized, has a little shallow divot, and then I just kind of crush it so that it looks like this.
Flatten it like a pancake.
Flatten it what, quarter of an inch?
Yeah.
Yeah, so there you go. So that's what we're doing there. That's how you deal with the plantain.
All right.
Okay, so now let's deal with our fish. So we got these beautiful fillets here.
Quite big for perch, right?
I was going to say, I don't know how many times I've caught surf perch and go, the size of my whole fish was this fillet, and I'm going, wow. Yeah, but just keep after them, just keep chasing around. You'll find those bigger ones out there. They're out there.
Well, they're really tasty.
And they're really super aggressive too. If you
so they're fun.
Oh yeah, it's super fun. If you're not getting hit like immediately, like within a few seconds, literally, then they're not there. They're so aggressive that they're going to be right on it.
Okay.
Okay, so fresh ground pepper, kosher salt.
Kosher salt.
Okay, now we're going to dip them in a little bit of corn flour.
Not cornmeal.
Not cornmeal. I mean, if you want to do the cornmeal thing, sure, whatever. But I like corn flour a little bit better. Has a little bit of crunch, but doesn't have that really aggressive crunch that cornmeal does.
Yeah, you're just putting a light coat in. That's why you're not doing like a liquid first.
Yes, I just want a light little crunch.
Okay.
Okay, so our pan's nice and hot. We'll get a little bit of oil in there.
Oil going.
Okay, excellent. Always drop fish away from you like this. As you saw that there's a little bit of oil splash, but it went that way. Away from you. Okay, if you can take care of this right here.
Yep.
Okay, so while that is working, we're going to work on our mojo. Okay?
Mojo.
Mojo. This is orange juice. That's one orange.
There we go.
We're going to add half a lime. Traditionally, they would use sour orange, but sour orange is not very available here in, well, I mean, unless you live in Florida.
Maybe Florida, yeah.
Okay. This is half an onion.
Okay.
Okay.
Sour orange, huh?
Yeah. A little bit of oregano. These are all very traditional flavors.
Yeah.
Right here. Okay.
Stuff you have.
A bit of salt. Black pepper. And another thing that's very, very traditional is the Cubans love garlic.
Garlic, yeah.
I mean, they go a little bit crazy on it. And so we're going to go pretty heavy.
Well,
so
you know I love the garlic.
We're going to do like 5 cloves. I mean, you can go even heavier than that. That's not, crazy for the Cubans.
Okay.
Okay, so let that go.
Getting a little golden color to it.
A little golden color to it.
Wow, that looks awesome.
We're just going to set that aside. I think the residual temperature will get us there.
We'll go ahead and take care of it.
Okay. And of course, the Cubans love extra virgin olive oil.
All right. Yep. This recipe is really just the basic ingredients that you have in your kitchen.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, except for the plantains.
Except for plantains. You may have to hunt those down. Let's go ahead and taste this.
Okay.
See where we're at.
Got you a spoon right there, do you?
Yeah, I gotta get it.
All right.
Looks pretty.
Kosher salt. Knew it.
Just a little bit.
Okay.
And we're gonna do the full lime.
Go full lime.
Go full lime. All right.
Mix it back up.
So before we start that, let's go ahead and drop our tostones.
I'll flatten it out and ready to go.
Yep.
And you said like 350?
375 because we're just crisping them up because they're already done.
Okay.
Okay. So let's go ahead and finish this for a second. Here, take that for a second.
Okay. Whoops.
All right. One last taste.
And dish that up.
Much better. Okay, go ahead. Can you put that in there?
Yep.
Okay, we're going to add just a little pat of butter.
That was butter?
Yeah, that's just a little bit of butter, a little bit of garlic, and a little bit of that oregano.
Okay.
All right, we're almost ready to play.
Yeah.
Okay, always with your fried foods, you're going to season them up, a little bit of salt, just nothing different.
This didn't take long, couple minutes.
Yeah. God, that smells good with the garlic in there.
Yeah. Nice fillets. I always love your presentations. They're just amazing. Oh. Can't wait to try my first plantain.
Right?
Yep.
You're going to put a little bit of that to the top. Oh, yeah. Not hurting a thing.
Nope. And a little spoon for that.
Okay, and then a little bit of our mojo sauce.
Mojo sauce.
Mojo sauce.
Cuban mojo sauce. I like.
Okay, a little bit of pickled red onions for a little pop of color.
Gotta have that.
Oh yeah.
Well, and I'm sure the flavor is just incredible on there.
Oh yeah, and they just look so pretty on the plate too. You know, a little bit of oregano too. How you like that?
I love it. Yes.
Guys, try some surf perch out. They're just fantastic. You know, it's nothing really that exotic, and you know, except for like you said, the plantains. And I told you how to deal with them.
Yeah.
Yeah, and a traditional mojo sauce.
It looks awesome, and while we're going to dig into this, we're going to throw it back to the guys in the studio.